Hi digital marketers, hope you're well and thank you very much for coming back on PPC Kingdom YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to Google Ads. How are we doing that? We're going to log into one of my accounts and check all the options in terms of objective and campaign creation that are available. First come first, of course, to create a new campaign or see the objective I'm talking about, you will need to create a Google Ads account. How do you do that? I'm not going to show you because it's very easy. Just in any of your Gmail account, into the search bar, type down Google Ads, click on the first results, fill out all the information about your business or your client's business, and then you will be able to log in and see exactly what I'm going to show you. So let's start. This is the typical dashboard that you see when you open a Google Ads account. What you are going to do is create a new campaign is to click on the blue button new campaign, and then you will be prompted with these 8 type of objectives. We have sales, leads, website traffic, awareness and consideration, app promotion, local store visits and promotions, and create a campaign without goals guidance. What are these? These are simply containers. They group up the type of campaigns that you can create in Google Ads. So if you want to see all the campaigns, the type of campaigns at once, you just will need to click create a campaign without goal guidance. So you will have all the 8 type of campaigns. Any other of these you are going to click are going to have less campaigns because they are related, for example, to sales, to leads, to website traffic, and so on. So simply click on create a campaign without goal guidance. What is it going to happen? You will scroll down and you will have, as I said, 8 type of campaigns: search campaigns, performance max campaign, display campaign, shopping campaign, video campaign, app campaign, smart campaign, and finally demand generation campaign. So what are these type of campaigns? Let's start from the most famous, the most popular, the search one. The search one is the one about the keywords. I'll give you an example I've already wrote down inside the search bar of another tab into this Google account, the keywords food delivery. What is happening is that these ads, one sponsored, are appearing at the top. This is literally a search campaign in real time. Now let's skip for a moment Performance Max, just because this is a combination of different campaigns. So we are going to talk about it in a minute. The second type of campaign is the display campaign. The display campaign are literally all those images and banners about companies, advertising in general, that you see while you are surfing the internet. I'll give an example. I selected randomly an Italian newspaper. As you can see here at the top or here at the bottom, 1, 2, 3, and 4, these are ads created through Google display campaigns. And to be precise, the website needs to belong to the GDN, Google Display Network. The next campaign is the shopping one. In this case, we have an example as well. The shopping one are the images at the top of the search engine that are going to show images about retails, clothing, and so on. We have an example here. I typed down red shoes, and at the top of the page you have sponsored many different type of red shoes. These are created linking your website to Google Ads and feeding a file with all the images, the prices, and all the characteristics of the products of your business or your client's business. Next one, we have the video campaign. I believe you know them really well since you are watching a YouTube video, and pretty much are all the advertising that you can see on YouTube. So if I click, for example, on this one, here we go. The very are an image and advertising, and you can skip it. This is a type of a video campaign that we are going to see in detail in the next few videos. And then we have the app campaign. These are pretty much on the mobile. For example, when you are on in Google Play or in iOS and you type down the name of a product or the name of an app, and at the top you will see a little ad with all the specification of that app, inviting you to download the app. The Smart Campaign is a very simple campaign in sense of it's the campaign for the rookies. What do? You just add a few information into Google Ads, like the landing page and the cost, the budget that you want to spend, and Google is going to do everything for you. And in the end, we have Performance Max and demand generation. So what is Performance Max? Performance Max is the combination of search, the keywords, display, the images, and videos, YouTube. Because pretty much with this, we are going to show the ads for your business or your client business across the Google network, which include the search engine, YouTube, the GDN, and many other places. The demand generation is pretty much the same thing, is very, very similar to Performance Max. So what's the difference between the two? The Performance Max one works at the bottom of the funnel, so with the final users, the one that possibly are going to buy your product. Instead, the demand generation works in the middle of the funnel, so you are going to create awareness about your product. For today, this is all. In the next few videos, we're going to review one by one all these campaign types and create a campaign for every single type. Thank you very much again for joining me in this video today, and thank you very much again, if you haven't done it yet, for subscribing on the PPC Kingdom channel. See you soon, guys. Thank you.